Do you like to use a blender? Then find out for which products it is absolutely forbidden to use. In a modern kitchen, a blender is an indispensable assistant to the hostess for preparing a variety of dishes, mashed soups, side dishes with a uniform consistency, sauces and delicious desserts. Rejoicing in the ease of its use, we often grind products that this kitchenware only spoils. For which products can it be categorically not be used? Mashed potatoes. The blender destroys the structure of the potato, as a result of which starch is released and the puree becomes viscous, sticky and literally like a stone. Mashed potatoes must be crushed exclusively by hand. Hot liquids. I would like to quickly kill the puree soup products with a blender, but if you add the soup you just removed from the fire into the blender bowl, there will be tremendous pressure inside because of the hot steam and there is a chance that the soup will scatter throughout the kitchen. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and only after whisk in small pieces. Frozen products. This kitchen appliance is not designed to work with solid ingredients, and frozen foods can simply break or damage the mechanism. And if not, then for sure there will be whole pieces in mashed potatoes. Before sending them to the bowl, thaw them at room temperature or in the microwave. Dried fruits. The skin of viscous dried or dried products is difficult to beat with a blender. This is fraught with a breakdown of the kitchen assistant. In order to puree dried fruits, you should soak them well in warm water so that they become soft and suitable for chopping. Hard spices. Hard spices, like frozen foods, are not intended for blending. Too small. In addition, they run the risk of not being crushed. It is better to use a mortar or coffee grinder. Coffee beans. If you cannot imagine your life without coffee, then it is better to purchase a coffee grinder for beans. The blender grinds them non-uniformly, which will certainly affect the quality and taste of the finished drink. And do not forget to take care of the technique. Hard coffee grains can damage the blender. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.